Hi Ronnie. Hello Shanto. How are you? I'm good, and you, dear? Good. I have a quick question and you answer. Okay. I was on phone for hour. Who were you talking to for an hour? Same. An old friend from college. When is the last time you talked to him? At college graduation. Wow, that was 30 years ago. We had a catching up to do. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.